Hello everyone, welcome to this 12th video on Python. In this video, I'll discuss anti-join. So in the earlier video, we have seen how to merge the data along with a few examples. But this anti-join we generally don't use much, but I feel it is again a very important thing which we should understand. So let's start. So we have seen the arguments of the merge function earlier. So here we will actually use this indicator argument to actually do this operation of antigen. Okay, so these libraries are already loaded here, and this library is installed and loaded just to create the Venn diagram. So let's see that in this example. So we have two data frames here. If you see data frame 1, we have a b c d as keys, and these are the values. Data frame 2, we have b d e as keys, and these are the values. So what we do in anti-join is that if we do this operation on df1 and df2, then we'll just keep the keys in df1 which are not available in df2. So in inner join we keep the common, in the left join you keep all, but in anti join we will just keep the keys in df1 which are not present in df2. So in our output we'll only have A and C because B and D are also available in df2. So let's see this. So I'll just run this code, and you see this is again to actually do this, we use this merge function, and here we'll keep indicator equal to true. So this new column, indicator column, will be created in the data frame, and from there we'll just select left only values. We'll see that in an example as well, but let's see what this operation does. So if you see anti join, so this is df1, this is df2, and in df1 we have acbd, in df2 we have bde. We also have, yeah, so in df1 we have abcd, and in df2 we have bde. So you see abcd are in df1, and here we have bde. And in anti join we'll just keep this. Okay, we'll just keep this, which is red or pink color part of the data frame, where we'll have only A and C. The part which is common is removed from the final output. So to do that, we just have an example which is quite similar to the one we have discussed in the earlier video as well. So there is a imaginary transaction data set which is available in this file merge anti-join. So here we have the customer ID, product, date, year, month, and value. And after loading this, I'm just cleaning this date field a bit to get this in a bit standard format. And then we'll read the second sheet. And this sheet contains all our internal customers. Okay, so this sheet contains all our internal customers. We just want to remove it from our this transaction data set. Okay, so after reading this again, and we have this customer ID and date of birth present in this customer sheet. Again, we'll just clean the date of birth uh, column a bit, and this is how clean data frame looks like. Now the question here that we have to solve is that it's given that the customer sheet contains list of internal test customer, remove them from the transaction data and get the revenue by year. So first of all we have to just remove those customer IDs from our transaction data. So again, we can do this in the same way as we have seen that example in anti-join. So let's go back to this example. So this is, for example, our transaction data set, and this is customer data set, and these are the set of internal customer. So whatever internal customer is present in the transaction data set, we'll just remove that, so that our transaction data set, the clean transaction data set, will only have the external customers, and then we'll just summarize the data. So this is how the concept of anti-join will be used here. So to do that, we'll first merge these two data frames, and here the common id is customer id, and how equal to left we'll mention, and we'll also add this indicator equal to 2. So once we do that, you'll see that there is a column added at the end which is underscore merge. So let's see what it does. But yeah, before doing that, let's see. And that customer table also had the this date of birth column. So let's calculate age. Let's calculate age, if which would be just difference age at the time of making that purchase. So this because we have already converted them into string first, when we have extracted the first in character, we'll convert it into date time and then calculate the age in years. So after doing that, let's do the value count by this merge column. So the merge column is an indicator column which gives values like this, both left only, right only. So if you select this, if you just filter it by both, it will have only the rows, or only the customer IDs which are common to both the data sets. So it means 128 transactions are related to internal customers, and left only 53 transactions are for external customers. So most of the transactions are from internal customer only. Okay. So if we filter this data frame, the merge data frame, for this column underscore merge equal to left only, we'll only have the transactions which are from external customers. So let's take a look at this data, and if you see, we do have this age present here when we are doing head. But when we are filtering this data frame on underscore merge equal to left only, we only have this anti-join data frame left, where all the customers are external. So when we do that, you see, because now we don't have the customer details, so all those customers IDs were not present in the customer table, so we don't have date of birth and age, and all these are left only. Okay, so if you go back to the last one again, you can see all these are null and these are all left only. And so this is the set of transactions which are done by the external customer. And just to answer the question, how to, I mean, to get the revenue by year month, this line of code will do that, where we are just grouping it by year month and aggregating to get the sum of the value column, which is the revenue for us. So this is how the revenue localized. And we have 53 rows. So it goes till 2024 2, starting from 2012 7. And yeah, because we have filtered out a lot many transactions, so there would be some months where there is no transaction at all. You can observe in the data as well. And then if you just add plot at the end of the same line of code, you can get a chart like this. But yeah, we'll discuss the charts and the detail of plotting in the next few videos. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.